Once upon a time, in a lush, green valley, there was a small, selfish seed named Silla. Silla had heard stories from the wind about how seeds could grow into magnificent trees or beautiful flowers, but Silla wanted to keep all the nutrients and sunlight for herself. Why should I share? She thought. I want to be the biggest, the tallest, and the best. So, Silla stayed buried deep in the soil, refusing to share the space or the resources with the other seeds around her. She thought, if I hoard all the water and sunlight, I will grow faster than anyone else. Time passed, and other seeds around Silla began to sprout. Little green shoots poked out of the ground, reaching toward the sun. Flowers bloomed, and trees began to grow. But Silla still remained underground, holding tightly to her nutrients, too afraid to share. One day, a gentle sunflower named Sunny sprouted nearby. She smiled at the world and spread her leaves wide, offering shade to the smaller flowers beneath her. Why are you hiding, little seed? Sunny asked Silla. I don't want to share, Silla replied. If I share, I won't be the best. Sunny chuckled softly. Being the best isn't about keeping things to yourself. When you share, you grow even more. Watch what happens when we work together. Sunny stretched her long roots into the soil, and Silla felt something incredible. The soil was becoming richer, full of nutrients, as Sunny's roots helped loosen the earth. The rainwater soaked in more easily, and the sun shone warmly on the plants, filling the garden with life. Curious, Silla decided to try something new. She slowly reached out her tiny roots and began to grow. As she shared the soil and water with the other plants, something magical happened. Silla felt herself grow taller and stronger, faster than she ever thought possible. Soon, she broke through the surface and saw the beautiful garden around her. The garden was filled with color, red roses, bluebells, and tall oak trees. And Silla, no longer alone, had become a beautiful tree herself, providing shade for the flowers beneath her. She felt happier than ever, not because she was the biggest or the best, but because she was part of something bigger than herself. From that day on, Silla learned that sharing not only made others grow, it helped her grow, too. Moral of the story: sharing what you have with others helps everyone, including yourself, grow stronger and happier.